Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you lots of ramen recipe. First, any kind of ramen is fine. Then, punch the ramen several times. If you think the person you hate, it would be help you. Then, put it on the fry pan. Now, it's almost done. Stir it until it turns into brown. Then, put cinnamon powder, honey, 1 spoon of butter. Make a hole and put it all together. If your ramen stick together, then you can put it on another dish and let it cool down. Punch the ramen one more time. Korean ramen has two kinds of noodle style. One is square like this. Put some oil upside down. Don't using olive oil. If you doesn't have it, then just skip it. It doesn't matter. Grill it in the microwave 2 minutes each side. Depends on your house microwave specifications. So keep an eye on, otherwise it's gonna be fire. Listen carefully from now, because I'm gonna show you lots of dipping sauce which is matched with this snack. Onion powder and ramyun powder. Beef stock and sugar. Soy sauce and mayonnaise. Ramyun powder and ketchup sauce. Mayonnaise and ramyun powder. Ketchup and mayonnaise. Strawberry jam. Melting chocolate. Now all kinds of ramen snack and dipping sauce is ready. Let's eat. I forgot to record chili sauce, but there it is. It tastes like onion Pringles. It tastes like BBQ flavor Pringles. Just plain taste. Oh, I'm surprised, cause it's like pairing. It makes me surprised as well. So good. It's like full of flavor. Every dipping sauce mixed with mayonnaise, it's so good. Awesome. Just plain flavor. Freeze like chocolate snack. This was so enjoyable food. I couldn't find same flavor in the market snack corner. Don't go! Hey, here is bonus recipe. Fire noodle snack. Put some fire noodle sauce and 1 spoon of sugar on the starred noodles. Salt it 1 minute or 2 minutes. If you put it in refrigerator for 20 minutes, it's gonna be stick together and easy to eat. That's it for today. See you soon, guys.